guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the different function of C++ data types. So iisa't isahin po natin ipaliwanag upang mas maintindihan niyo po ito. Pero paalala lang po na this video is more capable for beginners only. So if you are a pro programmer, you can skip this video. So, C++ is used to create computer program and is one of the most used language in game development. So now we are using Dev C++. We can download it from the link below. And this is a free apps. So kung wala po kayong cellphone, you can download CXX Droid. Yan po natin. Yan na po. File, New, or Control N. So first is include hindi po yan caps lock ha. Include IOStream. So include IOStream, this is our header file library that let us work with input and output objects such as cout. So ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo kung ano yung input and output mamaya. And our next line is using namespace std or standard semicolon. So using namespace standards means that you can use name for object and variables from the standard library. So papaliwanag din ko po sa inyo kung ano yung variables na sinasabi ko. And next is a blank line. So note that C++ ignores white space dahil ginagamit natin ito upang mas readable yung code natin. So in our fourth line, we have int main. So int main is our function that any code instead its curly brackets will be executed. So inside its curly brackets will be executed. And next is cout. So ang tamang pagbasa po nito ay cout. So ito po yung object used together with the insertion operation like this. This will allow us to output or print, like for example, my first program and semicolon. So note, every C++ statement ends with a semicolon dahil kung walang semicolon, hindi po yan mag-run. So save po natin sa file. So dapat ang ma-print po natin ay my first program. So name lang natin itong file natin as first. So ayan po, no errors, warnings 0. So run po natin, F11 run. So gaya nga po ng sinasabi ko, na print po natin ay my first program. Gaya lang din po yan ng hello world. So print again natin or output. So hello world. Ito po yung sinasabi kong sa include IOStream natin. This will allow us to work our input and output object. So now, balik po tayo sa C++ variables. So in C++ variables, there are different types of variables. For example, the first example, we're using string. We will set the variable string name to my name. So hindi po tayo magsiset ng value dahil maggagamit po tayo ng cin upang makapag-input ng name natin. So, string stores text such as hello world. String values are surrounded by double quotes. Like for example, comment lang po natin. Stores text that surrounded by double quotes. Ganyan po, double quotes, then hello. Ganyan. Pag magsiset po kayo ng value sa my name, ganito po yan. Zaina Tech. Semicolon. Dahil kagaya ng sinasabi ko kanina na hindi dapat kalimutan yung semicolon. So, cout po natin yung Zaina Tech. So, cout, double quote, my name is so, para makapag-cout po tayo ng Zaina Tech, lagay po natin yung siniset natin na variable name my name. And semicolon. So, try po natin i-run. F11. Oh, we forget the So, ayan na nga po. My name is Zaina Tech. So, bakit lumabas yung Zaina Tech? Dahil nga po, yung ginagamit nating variable ay siniset po natin sa my name, and the value of my name is Zaina Tech. So, kung ano pong value ng my name, yun po yung lalabas sa output natin. Kagaya ng hello world. So, yung lalabas sa output natin ay hello world. Huwag kakalimutan kapag gagamit ng string, dapat kapag magsiset na kayo ng value, huwag kalimutan yung double quote. So, i-run po natin yung program. F11. So, ayan na nga po. My name is hello world. Bakit my name dyan? Dahil nga po, cout my name. So, ito po ay statement. So, ngayon, hindi po natin lalagyan ng value yung my name. This my name will allow us to input our name. That is why we are using cin. Cin my name. So, dito, lalagyan po natin ng end L or end line. Kasi nga po, kung hindi po natin lalagyan ng end line, ito po yung kalabasan ng code natin. Ayan. Diyan lang po siya sa line ng my name makakapag-enter ng name nyo po. Zaina. So, kapag lalagyan po natin ng end line, meaning are used to break lines. So, this will make a new line. So, ayan na nga po, nasa baba na po siya. So, Zaina Tech. So, our next variable is int. So, we will set the variable int named age. So, int stores integers, whole numbers only without decimal. So, without decimal, yung sinasabi ay walang 0.45. Like, kapag may point po, yan po yung mga decimal. So, int stores whole numbers only such as 1 to 3 or negative 1 to 3. So now we will using our variable name age to input our age. So cout. So magtatanong po yung output natin na how old are you? Cin, or this will allow us to input our answer. Cin age. So kapag mag-enter kayo ng 0.8, hindi po yan mag-run yung program nyo. So, my name, Zaina. How old are you? 21. So, ganyan po yung int. Always remember that int is used for whole numbers only. And our next variable is character. So, character, tinatawag lang po natin yung car. So, car or character stores single character such as A or B. So, car values are surrounded by single quotes. So, kung sa string po natin ay surrounded by double quote, sa character naman po natin surrounded by single quote. Okay. Let us set our variable car name favorite. So, fev is equals to single quote. So, kung ano po yung single letter na gusto nyong i-value dito. So, for me is Z. Semicolon. So, cout. My favorite letter is so lalabas po dyan yung Z. Always remember that when setting a value of our variable name favorite, we will use a single quote because in our string variable, we're using a double quote. That is a double quote and this is a single quote. So now, we will output the favorite letter that I valued to my variable name Feb. So, F11. So, let us input our name, Zaina. How old are you? 21. And my favorite letter is Z. So, kusa pong lalabas yung Z dahil nga po, our variable name favorite are already set the value of Z. So, pwede po bang gamitin natin ito ng walang value? Yes po. So, let us delete our value. And let us make our program na makapag-enter po tayo ng favorite letter po natin. So, what is your favorite letter? So, input or in feb. And let us run our program. So, my name, Zaina. How old are you? 21. What is your favorite letter? So, only one letter. Wala na po, hindi na po kayo maglalagay ng single quote dahil nga po, input na po yung ginagawa natin. Hindi na po yung value. So, our next variable is double floating point. So, double. And let us set the variable double name average dahil mag-i-input po tayo ng average natin. So, double floating point stores floating point numbers with decimal numbers. So, ito na po yung gagamitin natin kapag mag-i-input po tayo ng decimal such as 19.99 or negative 19.99. So, yan po yung decimal numbers. Like, yung average po natin, yan po ay decimal. So, gagamitin po natin ang double floating point to enter our average. So, cout, enter your average score. And line. So, in. So, we enter our variables that name av, which means our average. So let us try to run our program. F11. So, balik po tayo sa my name is Zaina. How old are you? 21. What is your favorite letter? Z. Enter your average score. So, 90.05. So, ganyan po ginagamit yung double floating point, which is with decimal number. Ganyan nga po. So, our last variable is boolean or bol. So, boolean stores values with two states only. So, that is true or false. So, in C++ or in programming, 1 is true and 0 is false. That is a binary number. So, we will set our variable to info, and the value of our variable name info is equal to true. So, automatic na po yan kapag true, ang lalabas po dyan ay 1. Semicolon. So, let us run our program. Cout. Your information is true. So, hindi na po tayo mag-input ng info dahil po ang boolean variables po natin na name info ay nakavalue na po siya na true. So, ang lalabas lang po dyan ay 1. So, try to run. So, ayan. My name, Zaina. How old are you? 21. What is your favorite letter? Z. Enter your average score, 90.05. Your information is true. So, ang lalabas po ay 1 dahil true. Right? Or let us say, your information is, lalabas po dyan 1, so which means true. So, balik po natin. Run our code, F11, Zaina, 21, Z, 90.05, and your information is true. Dahil ang Boolean po ay 2 states only, true or false. So again, string stores text such as hello world. String values are surrounded by double quote, and hello. And int stores integers whole number such as 1 to 3 or negative 1 to 3. And character or char stores single character such as A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quote, ganyan, single quote, then A. And the next one is double floating point, stores floating point numbers with decimal. So, yung decimal numbers are, for example, 19.99 or negative 19.99. And the last variable is Boolean. So, Boolean is stores values with 2 states only, such as true or false. So, wala pong ibang magagamit kay Boolean, kundi true or false lang po yan. And ito na nga po, tapos na po ang tutorial natin. So, I hope this video help you understand the different variables of C++ language. So, before we end this video, so I hope you subscribe my YouTube channel and comment down below the feedback of my video.